Yeah, money that I blow at night. Hold up some of that today. You see that, my viewers and subscribers? You saw them security guard they move careless. Eh? All after what happened, what poke more there and there. Eh? You see that, my viewers and subscribers? Eh? Look how them security guard they move careless, people. Them brings security here. Just look how them move shaky. It's like them not learn. It's like them not learn. Taking the woman's security in my family. You don't notice how she need to cover herself. She not cover the rest of the security guard when they carry the money. She not cover herself, people. You don't notice? Jaja no star. You need some professional. Brinks need some professional security guard. Yeah man, professional. You see me? God, this is easy take, you know. Even the man we have video or the woman we have video this, have video them people, that person gonna be a taker and a shooter too. You see me I say, and them lose, them security guard lose them 3 points and money gone again. People, subscribe and like. You see me I say, subscribe and like and share people, touch up the thumbs button people, keep safe my people. You see me I say, protect your 3 points. You see me I say, my people, yeah man, love God and pray to God. Yo people, walk with God, talk with God. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Yeah man, I'm out.